You guys tuned in for a really good video today. We're gonna do some amazing beef ribs. Found these guys in the grocery store. I was just walking through the meat section because I love to walk through the meat section and see what I wanna cook. And sometimes you find some good stuff, sometimes you don't. But in this case, the last 2 packs of these ribs were there on the shelf, and there was a lady in front of me that was, you could tell she was thinking about buying them, and she decided, I guess, not to. She turned away from them and walked away, and I quickly scooped them up. But they are some choice bone-in beef short ribs, and I can't wait to get some seasoning on these dudes and put them on the Lone Star smoker. We're gonna go offset Lone Star, get as much flavor, smoky flavor, as we can get on these for about 3 hours. And then we're gonna put them in a pan and we're gonna braise them to the finish line. I'll show you what we'll do with that in just a little bit. Let's get some seasoning on these guys and get them on the Lone Star. I'm gonna roll along at about 250 degrees. We're using a little bit of hickory as well as some post soak. Use temperature as a guide, and when you're doing beef ribs, you're looking for somewhere around 200 degrees Fahrenheit. However, tenderness is the key metric. How tender are those beef ribs. When you stick a probe in, does it feel like room temperature butter? And that's what we're looking for. And when I got that, which is just over 200 in this cook, I went ahead and pulled the ribs off the smoker. However, I'm going to leave all of that wonderful juice in the pan on the smoker while I'm letting these ribs rest for about an hour to an hour and a half. So what's going to happen with that juice is it's just going to reduce, it's going to concentrate, it's still going to get plenty of smoky flavor. In order to do that, I'm going to add some more wood to make sure we keep this fire nice and hot. This looks amazing, smells amazing. It's incredible what fire, time, and meat can do when they all come together in this perfect just relationship. First, I'm gonna try these mashed potatoes out with a little of this sauce. Oh man. My son and I, man, we love mashed potatoes. All right, it's time for the business. Let's get on these beef ribs. Fall apart, just so tender. Perfect saltiness. Got that black pepper hit. If you see these beef ribs in your grocery store, make sure you grab them, throw them on the smoker. You're gonna love them.